Did you find 4 over here? Oh, you forgot one when you found that.
Hey, this has a wheel there.
This is Julian. He has giant Easter eggs. 3 of them, actually. And he likes to carry them around and throw them on the ground because they make noise. Handy picked them out for him because inside are Matchbox cars.
Julian's basket.
Gently.
Very, very cool.
There.
Okay.
There he goes. Where are you going with that egg, kid?
Yay, it shakes. Ooh.
Oh,
Look at
come here. No, come here. Come sit with me. Shh. Come sit with me. Julian's coming to get his egg. Come here, boyo. Julian, chocolate. I know, but watch. Move out of the way, Rory. Oh, what is this? This magical substance I have given you.
He likes it.
I'm glad. There you go. Chocolate. And a truck. What a great holiday. Julian. Julian, look at Mama. Julian. Screw you guys. I have a truck.
Look at Mama.
Hey, Julian? Yeah,
Julian.
he has a truck.
There's wheels,
I'm
guys.
clapping.